You know, we all hear about social media automation. It sounds amazing, right? This idea of effortless 24/7 marketing that posts for you even while you're asleep. But here's the thing. There's a catch. One wrong move, and bam, your accounts could be shut down for good. So how do you know if you're about to strike gold or if you're just digging your brand's grave?
Look, we're all trying to find that edge, right? Save some time, scale up what we're doing. But what if that very tool you're counting on to grow is actually putting your entire online presence at risk? In this explainer, we're going to walk through exactly how to make sure your automation is a powerful ally and not some kind of hidden enemy waiting to trip you up.
So here's our game plan. We're going to break it all down into 5 key areas. We'll start with the big one, the automation trap, and the super simple principle to avoid it. Then we'll get into your smart linking playbook, talk about how to really boost your engagement, and finally, I'll show you a pro move for becoming the source of your own viral content. All right, let's dive in.
Okay, this right here is where so many people go wrong. You get excited, you get this new powerful software, you spin up a brand new TikTok or Instagram account, you connect the automation, and you hit go. The problem is, the platforms are watching you, and that immediate, high-volume activity from a fresh account, it's a massive red flag that screams, bot!
You've got this dream of a hands-off marketing machine just working for you in the background, but the reality can hit you like a ton of bricks. On a new account, you can get flagged and banned for spammy behavior before you even get started. It's a harsh lesson for sure, but it happens all the time, shutting people down before they even get a chance.
So, how do we get around that trap? It's actually surprisingly simple. You just have to follow what I call the act human principle. See, these platforms have some seriously sophisticated AI looking for non-human behavior. So, before you let the robots take over, you gotta prove there's a real person behind the keyboard. This is absolutely the non-negotiable first step.
Here's the recipe, the 4 crucial steps to warm up a new account. First, you log in yourself, manually. Second, you fill out everything, the bio, the settings, the profile picture, the whole shebang. Third, and this is key, make at least one native post. That just means you upload it directly through the app like a normal person would. Only after you've done all that should you even think about connecting your automation software. This simple little process makes you look totally legit to the platform.
Okay, so now your accounts are safe, let's start talking about making them effective. Because just posting stuff is only half the battle. You need to know what's actually moving the needle. It's time to go from just getting blind clicks to really understanding where your leads and sales are coming from.
A tracking link is going to be your new best friend, I promise. It's just a little piece of text you tack onto the end of your main website link. It doesn't change where the person goes at all, but on the back end, it tells your system exactly which platform they came from. Without this, you're just flying blind. You have no idea if TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook is your real MVP.
And here's how simple it is in practice. You just create a unique tracker for each platform you're on. You'd have one for your TikTok bio, a different one for your Facebook fan page, another for IG. Now, when a lead comes in, you know exactly which channel is killing it, and that tells you where you should focus your time, energy, and of course your budget.
This is such a powerful idea in marketing. It's called congruency, and it's all about building trust. Think about it. If someone sees your face in a TikTok video, they click the link in your bio, and then they see your face again on the page they land on, it creates this seamless, trustworthy experience. That little bit of consistency can make your conversions shoot way up because it just feels authentic. It feels right.
All right, let's talk about the big one, the algorithm. It's not some magic black box we can't understand. It's just a system that's built to respond to specific things people do. If you want your stuff to get seen, if you want it to go viral, you have to learn how to speak its language. You have to encourage the right kinds of engagement.
Here is the #1 rule you absolutely have to get. Platforms like TikTok and Facebook, they want to keep people on their app for as long as possible. So if you put an external link directly in your video description, guess what? The algorithm is going to bury your post. That's why you hear every single big creator say, link in bio. It's the only real way to drive traffic off the platform without getting penalized for it.
So what should you ask people to do? These 4 actions right here are pure gold for the algorithm. Asking for comments and follows, yeah, that's good. But here's the one that's surprisingly powerful. Asking people to save your video. That tells the platform your content is really valuable and that it's worth showing to a whole lot more people. And of course, your final call to action always points them to that all-important link in your bio.
So what's the magic number? How often should you be posting? Well, once your account is seasoned, meaning it's been around for a while and has a good history, a really solid target is around 10 posts a day. But, and this is important, this is not all automation. The real key is to mix in those native, manual posts like a simple text graphic or an inspirational quote right alongside your automated videos to keep that human touch alive.
All right, for our last section, let's get into the real pro-level stuff. Instead of just sharing other people's content or using pre-made videos, you can actually become the source. This is the move that lets you create your own unique content that's already basically primed to go viral from the get-go.
Here is a ridiculously clever hack. First, find a video in your niche that's already gone viral. Next, open up ChatGPT, turn on your phone's dictate feature, you know, the little microphone button on the keyboard, and just play the audio from the viral video. ChatGPT will transcribe the whole thing for you. Just like that, you have a proven viral script that you can now adapt with your own voice, your own brand, and go shoot it yourself.
And that really brings us to the final and most important question. Automation is an unbelievable tool. It's so powerful, but it can't be your entire strategy. It's there to amplify a real human-led effort. So as you start using these tactics, you always have to ask yourself, am I using this tool to build an authentic brand, or am I just running a bot? Because the answer to that question will absolutely determine your success.